financial literacy made me free. Chime's mission is to help people have financial peace of mind.
What's going on, y'all? Today we're going to be looking at the Chime credit builder, a major game changer. If you don't even know what Chime is an online banking. There's no brick and mortar stores, which means that there's no physical location you can go into. This bank only exists online. You can have a checking account, saving account, and a spending account. You put money aside for what you want to spend, so to help keep track of your money management. But they also start offering a credit. Now I have the Chime credit card, and how this works is all you have to do is just put money in from your spending account or your savings into the credit building account, and you know what I mean, you just spend whatever you get. To get this card, you have to set up your direct deposit, and you have to deposit, I think, like $200. They don't do a credit check, so you don't have to worry about your credit score getting affected. Now, to get this metal card, you have to spend 40 purchases, I think, within like 3 months. I got through that, I think, in like 2-3 weeks of just waiting every 24 hours and going on Amazon and buying like 1 or 2 things. I think you have to buy something worth more than $1 or $1.50. So you just go in there, you buy some cereal or something, and then bam, you got it. I got mine 3 to 4 weeks later because it was in the middle of the pandemic. After you transfer the money from your spending, savings, or check-ins and you put it into your credit, whatever you use on your credit card immediately gets put aside. Like, you know what I mean? So if you were to put $14 on the credit card and spend $7, immediately $7 is going to come off that card. And then at the end of the month, that's what they're going to report. I think it gets reported as an on-time payment. Let me open this up. Oh, that green is crazy. See, this is my first metal card. See, on camera, it seemed like a regular card. It seemed like it's not going to be like all crazy feeling. Yo, if y'all can get this joint, y'all gotta try to get this. All the information still in the back. Swayze. This joint is Patrick Swayze. Yo, the effort, nice. I'm about to drop it on the desk. Oh! Yeah, let me take care of that. Oh, they also give you a whole bunch of emails, so you know what I mean. You're gonna get the card and you're gonna be like well informed of what's happening when you're gonna be cool. So don't worry about it. Get started in getting that. There's no benefits to getting this, so there's no % cash back or no mileage rewards, but man, this is a reward enough. You got a metal card. But yeah, that's the Chime card, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing. Hope y'all learned something. Hope I put y'all game to something. You know what I mean? Go get it. Definitely go get it, Coop family.